you guys, welcome back. So in today's video I wanted to talk about something that has been with me since the day one. It's literally the first foundation I ever bought. It's something that you've seen me use in so many of my videos. It's none other than the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and this cult favorite actually comes with 16 hours of oil control now with an addition of SPF 22. I've literally emptied bottles of this. This is one dirty bottle I have that I've used so much, and I don't even remember the amount of bottles I've used. It's literally something that suits my skin so nicely. I love the coverage, I love the finish, and I keep going back to it. And this is the new bottle. This is what it looks like. I think it has a very nice premium finish. It comes with a pump as well, which keeps dispensing the product very hygienic but also minimal. You take as much as you want. There's no spillage or anything. And the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless range, it comes with 18 shades. So there is something for every skin tone, especially for Indian skin tone. And I also found my perfect shade, which is 310 Sun Beige. It fits me perfectly, and they've also launched 6 new shades this year, and these shades, they are meant to suit Indian skin tones. They all have warm undertones. Let me share all of the new shades that they have and swatch them for you. So the first shade is 123, then we have 126, 127, 137, 312, and 326. Now these are all of the 6 new shades with warm undertone, meant to suit all kinds of Indian skin tone. I'm going to take a pump of this foundation on the back of my hand, and look how lightweight this foundation is. It just blends like a dream. It's so easy to blend, and that's one of my favorite parts about this foundation. As you can see, I have lots of redness and blemish on this side of the skin, so I'm going to show you how beautifully it covers it all up. Look at that finish. It is so natural, so lightweight. It's not too oily, and you can build up the coverage as well if you want a little bit more than this. And even when you apply some more, it does not end up looking cakey or oily or anything. It just looks like my skin. You can see the texture is so beautiful, and it fits with my neck like perfectly. Literally, this shade fits me like a dream. Like, it fits my skin, like it's second skin in a bottle. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. You can actually see the results for your own. And I haven't even applied the foundation on the rest of my face. You can't tell that there is any foundation. It's just so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply on this side of my face so you can see the before and after. You'll see how it has also mattified this side of my forehead, but not made it look flat. A lot of mattifying foundation can end up looking cakey and flat, but this still has that very natural finish. Literally, the formulation is one of the best, and I have it applied on this side. The redness underneath my nose is gone. You can see it's very visible on this side. So I have it on half of my face. This half where the foundation is on, I've just applied one pump, and this side does not have any foundation. It looks like second skin. I have applied it all over my face, and look at that finish. It fits the tone, the texture of my skin so perfectly. It's covered up all my blemishes in just one go. I haven't even applied any concealer on top of it. It has covered up all of my redness. I have no dry patches whatsoever. It's matte without looking flat. It's not cakey whatsoever. It's not looking oily or shiny. And just look at the shade. Fits me perfectly. In case you don't know your perfect fit yet, you can just go to their website and try out their foundation finder. It's an amazing virtual try-on feature. Through this, your face will be scanned 360 degrees in adequate lighting to give you the most accurate shade. Like I said, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige has been a consistent part of my routine, and I also love to actually use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade Medium, and I like to use this on my under eye to cover up any sort of darkness. I also like to use it on my blemishes and any sort of redness. I love how this also gives such a natural coverage. Again, something that I've used so much. Next, I like to set everything in place with the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Pressed Powder. This one mattifies my skin so well and it gives a poreless finish. If you haven't tried this foundation yet, you literally need to go try it right now. You need to get your hands on this cult favorite foundation and let me know what you think in the comments down below. I am going to link it for you guys in the description box. Make sure you go check it out. You can find your perfect fit. Use the foundation finder. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you found this helpful. I hope you go try this foundation out because I know that this is so good that you are going to love it and use it every single day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you super soon. Bye!